Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Ravi from Nagar. In the previous class, we have seen what is the software and when it was released. So we will it is developed. So in this class, I will tell you draw tools. Go and take new and take part. Okay. And this is the drawing layout or drawing page. And first one is feature, second one is SketchUp. And go to tabs and select what you want. So I want sketch. First we can say sketch smart dimensions, and these are draw tools. These commands are draw tools. First I will sketch how to draw simple sketches. So how to draw in SolidWorks. First take a line and select plane. There are three types of planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. So I want front plane. Okay, like this, and select point and draw the drawing like this. I draw simple rectangle and close it.